Hi, Dave here for RealWheels Corporation with a look at our American-made Ford Transit stainless steel wheel simulators for 16x6 wheels with dual wheels on the rear axles. All of our wheel simulators and wheel covers are made from heavy gauge, high quality, non-magnetic 304L stainless steel, which means they will not rust, pit, corrode, or turn yellow. And each cover is hand polished to a mere shine in our in-house buffing department. That's why we are able to offer a lifetime guarantee on the workmanship of each cover and its mirror shine finish. The first thing you'll notice is that the side profile of the front cover and the deep inset of the rear cover simulate the look of aluminum wheels. This really gives your truck an outstanding appearance. Competitor wheel covers simply mimic the look of plain steel wheels. For styling, RealWheels has added beveled round cutouts and domed centers to really enhance the look of the wheel cover. The lug nut cover bump out design prevents curbing damage, eliminates missing lug nuts, and makes cleaning easy. RealWheels center emblems come standard. Fleet, OEM, and custom emblems are available with a minimum order. You'll also appreciate our unique and simple over-the-lug mounting systems. For the front simulator, simply place the mounting plate over the wheel lugs, rotate to engage, and secure with the anti-rotation lock. Then align the holes in the wheel simulator with the holes in the mounting plate and secure with the mounting screws. For the rear simulator, simply place the brackets onto the top of the studs and secure with jam nuts. Then align the holes in the wheel simulator with the holes in the mounting plate and secure with mounting screws. The rear simulators are also available with our American-made, high-quality stainless steel braided valve extensions for easy air pressure monitoring and access. You'll be impressed at the upgraded appearance these American-made stainless steel wheel simulators give your Ford Transit. To enhance your Ford Transit even more, see our video on our line of Ford Transit vent and grille overlays. And if you have a single rear wheel Ford Transit, see our video that highlights those covers. For more information, visit our website at realwheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180.